Here are 10 ways to use Photoshop Generative Fill to improve your photos. The first way to use Generative Fill is to expand the frame for better composition. This is great for when you want to add more space around your subject or change the aspect ratio of your photo. The second way is to erase unwanted objects and people from your photos. All you need to do is select it and click on Generative Fill. The third way to use Generative Fill is to create objects and people in your photos. This can be used for adding interest or filling in empty spaces in your image. Number 4. Generative Fill allows you to change the color and style of clothing in your photos, whether you want to experiment with the different looks or match the colors in your image. The fifth way to use Generative Fill is to add a sky to your image. This can be a great way to enhance the mood or atmosphere of your photo. The sixth way to use Generative Fill is to add accessories like hats and sunglasses to your subjects. The seventh way to use Generative Fill is that you can select the background behind your subject and generate a new scene from any text prompt. The eighth way to use Generative Fill is to create reflections in your photos. This can be a great way to add depth or interest to your images. All you need to do is select the area you want the reflection and add the reflection prompt.